Hey, Team Extreme. I just wanted to give you a quick introduction of what this task will be about and how this will work, which I think might come in handy just to get started. At least get started up the right way. So in your OneNote, you will find this called Analyzing Songs, and there's a couple of steps explained. So we got, first of all, I want you to listen to the different songs, which you can find up here. So 4 different songs, one from way before I was even born, one from newer ages, and 2 of my, say, personal favorites. That's the reason I picked these, really. Which makes this say, a personal task rather than a super professional. So if you feel like this is a bit personalized from my side, then that's true. But I hope you're okay with it because I'm interested in hearing your thoughts and ideas about this. Um, After listening to the different songs, the idea is that you have made up your mind, or that you, along the way, try and make up your mind, and you can write down notes here of your first thoughts. So, what do you think the message might be based on sound, instruments, the voice of the singer, etc.? So, this is before you've started analyzing or looking at the lyrics. Obviously, it might be that you know some of the songs from before, but then that's only a positive or a bonus. Then, after this, I do want you to look at the lyrics, which can be found just up here, and sort of dig into. Now, some of them might have some complicated words, and that's part of the task because I want you to find out about these words. So then, as we've used before, using Oxford Learnersdictionaries.com is a really useful way to get to know new words and get them explained. And you are all on a level that you will manage with that just fine. Now, before looking at these explanations, it would be nice if you could try as a group to find out what sort of part of the lyrics sort of stand out to you and why. Then after that, after sort of digging through the lyrics, you can go in these explanations and you can find some more, say, call it juicy details or interesting facts about it, at least what other people have thought. Because it's not often that an artist himself or herself sort of explains the reason why. So it's up to us others to interpret. And that part C is what sort of message you think the artist is trying to convey, so trying to give us. Then in addition to that comes the call to action. So the difference between these is that what sort of specific things do you think that the artist wants you to do or think of? And the last part is recipients, so the people that listen to it. What sort of group does the artist try to aim to based on the video, based on the songs or the lyrics, etc.? Now, you might obviously use YouTube as an external source of info if you sort of struggle, but this is up to you to find a challenge. Now, this is a project that will last for as long as it will take. I want to challenge you, and I hope that I challenge you through this task because there's a lot of freedom and a lot of open space that you sort of need to fill yourself and try and find solutions about. So, by saying so, I hope that you will enjoy this, feel challenged, and I really do look forward to hearing your opinion about these songs and what you think of them. Good luck.